How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing video and show you what I got in. Had a delivery, thanks to Steven from Mono Japan for delivering everything over to me here in Las Vegas. He's here for another work related thing, and he decided to help me haul up some of the stuff to save me a trouble from a trip to California. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor, go and hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. Thank you to everybody that's been subscribing and watching the videos. It's helping the viewer count and everything, and makes my video more accessible to everybody else out there. It's part of growing the channel, and I really appreciate it. Also, you can follow our socials, links in the description below: Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you need any parts, quote for parts and accessories, email me there at info@m2-motoring.com, and also the website m2motoring.com or m2-motoring.com. Let's get started. So Steven brought some stuff from Southern California for me. It's right over here. As you can see here, there is a wheel and tire package, and there's a couple boxes there, and there's some wheels here from Ray's. So let me go ahead and move the XB out of the way so I can pull everything out and open it up so I could do photos and everything and show you what I got in. All right, finished opening everything that I have. Start off with some of the set of wheels here. Actually, this is a set of 19 by 8.5 plus 35 5 by 120 Ray's Graham Lights 57 A&As. These are brand new in box, as you can see here. Has center caps and everything. Have these on a really good deal. Send me an email if you're interested, info@m2-motoring.com. Fits a variety of cars, just depends how aggressive or how conservative fitment you want. These I would say is more of like a OEM plus type fitment, so yeah. But now on to these right here. I have brought in two sets of Mugen CF48 wheels. Obviously they are used, as you can see here in the condition, not the greatest. I'll point out in just a second. The specs on both of these is right here on the wheel. It is a 14 by 6 plus 38 4 by 100. Now these wheels don't come with the cover plate or the center caps. Finding a complete set is pretty hard nowadays, and if you do find them, they are insanely expensive. These I will have for a pretty fair price. Obviously, I'm aware that they need cleanup and refinishing. People do different things. The cheapest, quickest way I see people do it is just simply powder coat them to a straight silver. Fix any curb rashes, whatever, get all that grinded down, cleaned up, and just powder coat them silver or white or whatever color you choose. Now I know on eBay they sell, somebody makes a 3D printed disc that's actually made for this wheel, or reproduction as you would call it. Excuse me. and that would bolt on. And I'm not sure about the center caps, but I think there are third party or reproduction type stuff that will fit. But yeah, these are all legit Mugen wheels. And as time passes, these are getting harder and harder to come by and to get. So if you've been looking for a set, if you're not getting it from me, getting it from somewhere else, lock a set down as soon as possible, because as the months go by, I see these coming up less frequently. Pre-COVID, pretty plentiful. During the whole pandemic, pretty rare. I had a set of M7s that I picked up that obviously sold, and a set of these also, and then R&Rs. But like I said, as time passes, it's harder and harder to find these wheels. These ones, for being the age they are, they're not too bad. Some bead blasting to take off all the finish on the wheel and bring it back to zero, and then repowder coat would clean a lot of this up. Again, on this set, there's a couple small nicks and little rashes that could be cleaned up real easily with a grinder without impacting the wheel. The silver set's actually pretty clean for what they are, so pretty happy with that. Now you might be wondering why I didn't open those. So that is for another video. Those are actually some new used wheels I got for my XB. So that will go in the XB related content, and I'm not going to show it here, but it's a preview for the next video. But yeah, what do you think of my quick haul that I've got? These will be up for sale very, very soon, as soon as I get some pictures and some other video aside from this content. But yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below if you're interested or you have any questions. Definitely always appreciate all the comments, likes, and everything. My contact info is right here, info@m2-motoring.com. Again, thank you so much for watching. Definitely do appreciate it. And as always, if you haven't already, like the video and subscribe. Until next time, you guys take care. See you next time.